Okay, this is going to be a short lecture because it's a really simple concept, but it's really important, so it needs to be said. And that is that you should always write in a series. Now, this also has implications to your writing that we're going to talk about in this lecture. The point is that once hooked, you should keep the reader hooked with free Amazon advertising. You're going to get free Amazon. When do you get anything free from Amazon? You're going to get free Amazon advertising on every one of your book pages. This is really exciting. Let me jump ahead and show you this, and then ask you at the end, why would anyone not write in a series? Point one, it's easier to sell the next book in a series to an existing reader than a brand new book. For some reason, once they, well, think of the things you can do. At the end of the book, you can say, hey, here's the next book in the series. People are hooked. They're reading a concept. They're getting ideas, and then they want more. So it comes to the next book in the series. So it's easier to sell the next book in a series than a new book. If you say, okay, series over, nah, or book over, that's the end of the concept. Now here's a brand new concept. People may not go for it, where they're more likely to go for it if you write in a series. The next thing I want you to consider is it's easier to bundle books and to write shorter books if you write in a series, right? So rather than writing the 65,000 word tome or 80,000 word tome and charging $6.99 or $4.99 for it, break it up into 3 books and charge $2.99 per. You'll end up making more money, and it'll be easier to sell the short, cheaper books. For some reason, Amazon readers are really honed in on $2.99. Actually, I shouldn't even say for some reason. I should say because it's the sweet spot. It's the least expensive that you can charge for a book and still get 70% from Amazon. So it's the most popular price on Amazon. If you price any higher, you're going to start getting into price competition. Don't make your price a deterrent to buying your book. $2.99 is a great price for new writers. Write to the $2.99 price point. Write short. Now, the next thing that I want to point out to you is the free advertising. Here's one of my nonfiction books on Amazon. And if you go to the book, you see, okay, whatever, it's a book, but then you scroll down, and down toward a little bit further into the book, it shows you all of the books in the series on the book page. This is free Amazon advertising. If somebody goes and looks at your book, they're going to scroll down a little and they're going, oh, look, I already have this book. Here's the next book in the series. Maybe I should grab that. Or they're going to think, oh my, this book is important enough to be a series. These are huge selling points. You must write in a series. I'm sorry, it's not optional. I've just decided right now I'm going to be very dogmatic and dictatorial on this subject. It just makes so much sense. Now, of course, if all you got is one book in you and it makes sense to keep it all together, go ahead and do that. But I want to encourage you to be a successful money-making Amazon author. And to do that, you must write in a series. And with that said, next up is the lecture where I beg you to please leave a review for this course. Reviews are going to kill or make this course. So you've got a decision now. Do you spend the next minute leaving a review, or do you leave me dry? I'm going to see you in that lecture.